Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to turn on or off the welcome voice greeting on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. You need to here swipe to the left until you see the settings. Let's open the settings. From the following list, let's use the left tab, and from the left tab, let me select here voice. As you can see here, you've got the greeting switch, the last option from the following list. This switch controls the spoken welcome message when you first get into the vehicle. When turned on, the car's voice system will automatically say a short hello or welcome greeting to welcome you as soon as you turn on the ignition. Right now it is turned off, meaning the car stays completely quiet when it starts up. I like it, but if you would like to hear those greetings, you can just enable it, and as you can see, they could be random or you can custom them. For example, you can say hi Tom or something like that, and you can just save it, as you can see right here, but it depends on your preferences. You can always disable those features right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.